Seattle.
No, it's not Seattle. But last minute he decided he wanted to go to Seattle do something else because he didn't be home on a holiday weekend. So here we are on a train. I've been up since 4. I'm sleeping. I'm hungry. No snacks.
But
So
I think when I was looking at YouTube, you can't leave your car until, I'm not sure, until you cross the border.
Okay.
Because they want to make sure everybody's in the seat so you clear customs. I don't know. You can find out.
Okay, guys. So we're in a signature junior suite, and when you enter, you see an open living room space, and to your left is the bathroom and coffee area, and also a closet, robe, safe, all the usual extras. Little coffee station. I believe this is the mini bar. Yep. Little mini bar as well, espresso. And you walk in to the bathroom, no double sink, but you've got a toilet, lots of towels, and it's a tub shower combination. And then this is this area. Soap's already out because we had to wash our hands from off the train. So you come out of the bathroom, you turn into the living room. This is so adorable. It's got a TV and a little desk sitting area. This is glass. It's very cute. And then you walk into the bedroom. This is king size bed, 2 nightstands. It's really cute. And they give you like a TV to watch. Oh, is this a sliding door? Yeah. I can slide the door and keep him out. The view is, it's like courtyard, I guess, maybe, or wall facing. But yeah, this is our room for the next 2 days at the Fairmont.
We're about ready to go. So right now we're leaving Pier 57. This is a great place to start the tour because this is where Seattle history changed forever. On July 17th, 1897, 5,000 people gathered around here where the Great Sea. The Port of Seattle is a big factor in Seattle's economy. It handles 26.1 million metric tons of cargo every year, to and from Asia, Europe, South and Central America, and beyond, and provides over 45,000 jobs.
Today we are at the Boeing Airplane Museum. Well, Museum of Flight. And I have to mentally prepare. Okay. Alright. So, how do we get there? Excited? Oh, we're going over there.
So it's all of it, plus them. Texas.
He was in Space Shuttle Columbia?
Yes. And Columbia burnt up coming over Texas.
Oh.
Coming back from space.
What is this? What is this?
So this is dedicated to the team that designed winglets on an airplane. Like you see, look at the plane that landed at SeaTac right now. You see that winglet that's sticking off of the wing? You see it?
Okay.
That's one of these, and this is the team that designed that winglet on that aircraft that's flying. That's the team.
Okay.
They came up with the blended winglet. So you know what winglet does?
No.
So winglets on an aircraft reduces the drag that's spinning off the wing. It reduces the vortex. So you get like 5 to 10% more fuel economy, just eliminating that drag from the wing. So by me doing these circles, this is what, like, the pressure that comes off the wing, you know, it makes a vortex like this. That vortex pulls down, like, slows down the plane a bit.
Okay.
So these winglets are designed to remove some of that vortex coming off the wing, and so you get much more fuel efficiency. And then so after the glider, they came up with, hey, what if you put an engine on the glider?
But then I sure had to compensate for weight.
That's why you put an engine on the But that's what they say when it went down in a plane like this. It's the same color scheme they use.
Whose plane is this?
This was American. It was a MiG-15, but the Chinese got it, and they put a more powerful engine in it. In fact, the pilot was sitting on the engine. In fact, the air went around the pilot inside, so it's a single engine, but everything came from the front. That was the engine. You can see that he's still can't really go. And that's why they used to call it a Huey, because it's a UH-1H. And, you know, yeah, it's known as the Huey. Because it was a UH-1H, people just like pronounce that as Huey. So it was a Bell Huey with UH-1 helicopter. Very, very reliable aircraft during Vietnam.
We've now entered the Red Barn.
This is where they
I'm sorry.
built Boeing aircraft.
Yes.
When the aircraft were mostly wooden. This is the best.
Okay.
So the planes that you fly on today all started from this barn.
And there's the guy doing stuff.
Where they made the mock-ups and everything. One of those, like, these are called the barn doors, right? So the Concords fly so high and fast that, like I said before with the other aircraft, with the SR-71, in order to gain that supersonic speed, these doors just close down, the higher it goes and the faster it goes, to let in as little air as possible. Because as you go higher, you know, it's less air. So it created more air by closing those barn doors where those red things are. So the top of the roof of the engine is come down, you know, to make a narrow entrance for the engine to get as much air as possible to the engine. So you want to fly on big planes? All of this is filled with fuel. Not just this. All in here is filled with fuel. And in the box filled with fuel. You want to fly on big planes. And not hit the floor. Let's go boom. These are APUs. What's your side in the back? We have in the back there. This is like your mini jet engine to start those engines. It's also like a generator.
Finish line, 15 minutes, waiting to go. Do not stop. The first Starbucks ever? Ever. So yeah, just want to see what it looked like inside. Maybe get a coffee. Something. Yeah. We made it. It's exactly 21 minutes for us to be like 2 people ahead to get inside the Starbucks. 21 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So we're getting the studded and you guys want to see what the original.
We're waiting on our drinks. They make you line up when you come inside and order your stuff, and then go on a different line and get it. So we're just waiting on that.